Hello my loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time joining us, thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you do stay, subscribe, and become a part of the ZX family. Happy New Year to all of you guys. This is my first actual proper video for the New Year, so Happy New Year to you guys. I really hope you guys had a safe Christmas, New Year, all of that good stuff. Today I am going to be doing a little back to school makeup look, as well as a lookbook at the end of this video, so do stay tuned if you guys would like to see that. Basically, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I would actually get ready for school in the morning. This is a super basic and simple makeup look, so I won't really be explaining everything as I go, but if you guys have any questions, leave it down below, and I hope you enjoy.
I see the hate in her face. Why you do that? Tell her you love her when next week you just want your space. Why you do that? Tell her you want her, but next week you do your own thing. Why you do that? I can't explain it, but you know it working for me. She tells me I hate you, but how the fuck can you hate me? When I ain't this shit, could be the real thing. She know I'm the real, that'll never change. I never been a one to try to explain why you catch them feels. I'ma sip on this drink, it's in my brain. I got real shit to stress about, girl, I ain't worried about shit. Remember that I tried to build you, now I ain't worried about shit. I got real shit to stress about, girl, I ain't worried about shit. Remember that I tried to build you, now I ain't worried about shit. I found me a new thing, I'm not as lost as you think. Got plenty queens in my hometown, all they need is drinking that thing. So I found me a new thing, I'm not as lost as you think. Got plenty queens in my hometown, all they need is I'm like,
it's a goddamn shame. We done crashed, we done burned, but baby, you the goddamn flame. You the goddamn flame. Trust me, it's love, but I ain't no goddamn saint. You blame me for every damn thing. I wanted to help you and see you shine, but you want a goddamn rain.
Listing my problems. Got that one in my bed and she just wanna sleep. Fucking up all of the sheets. She only wake up to eat. Do this shit every week. Like why you do that? Crying you wanna be great, but sleeping until the next day. Why you do that? Don't got that much in the bank. We go out, she order the steak. Why you do that? She can't explain it, but you know it working for her. She claiming she down on her luck, but really she don't give a fuck. And I cannot make this shit. I ain't this shit, but be the real thing. She know I'm the real, that'll never change. I won't be the one to try to explain why you catch them feels. I'ma sip on this drink. It's easy
to all the ladies in the place who like wine and bake, allow me to state that I am Jason, nigga real. You can recognize that or despise it, but all these real bitches gonna like it, cause I'm a hometown hustler. Love the way I'm fucking her, serve it like a customer. I'm 21 bustin' her, ain't too many flexing like this. Get your muscle up, pull up at the 12, hop out. It's a bunch of us, just in case little mama really think I'm stunning her. Girls on your line all the time when you coming up. And I could've chose your friend, but I chose you. It's a blunt list shit, what you gon' do? Tell your girls to roll true, ask if they can roll too. Finally got backwards, I can't roll those true. So meet me halfway and just grab that ashtray and do what my ass say.
So I found me a new thing, I'm not as lost as you think. Got plenty queens in my hometown, all they need is drinking that thing. So I found me a new thing, I'm not as lost as you think. Got plenty queens in my hometown, all they need is drinking that thing.
Before we get into the lookbook, I did want to show you guys this beautiful hair sent to me by Hairinbeauty. I'll leave the specs on the screen right now, but it is in a texture loose wave. I put it in these flexi rods, which is kind of a way to create heatless curls. You can kind of roll them the night before and then wear them the next day to school looking like this. This hair really does hold a curl well, so if you guys are looking to buy this hair, I will leave all the information in the description box. Now let's get into these looks.
days that I wait, I made plans with you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you, I think I die for you, Jordan and cry for you, do things when you want me to, like controller, yeah, like controller, yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster. Like controller, yeah. Like controller, yeah.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing.